Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best foldable toiletry bag on the market, the HOTOR Travel Toiletry Bag with Hanging Hook. If you're someone who loves traveling light but still wants to keep all your essentials neatly organized, this bag might just be the perfect fit for you. Right out of the gate, the HOTOR Toiletry Bag strikes an impressive balance between spaciousness and compactness. When closed, it measures a convenient 11.4 by 9 by 3.35 inches, making it small enough to fit comfortably into your luggage without taking up too much space. But here's the real magic: when you open it up, it expands to a generous 37 by 9 inches. This means you can lay out all your essentials, from shampoo bottles and lotions to makeup products and toothbrushes, in a way that's easy to see and access. The design is really thoughtful, especially for travelers who like to keep things organized. The bag features 4 main compartments, and 3 of these have zippers to keep everything secure. What's particularly useful is the transparent pockets. These clear sections make it simple to find what you're looking for without needing to rummage through the entire bag. Plus, the innovative leak-proof PVC pockets are a game-changer. They keep wet items separate from dry ones, so you don't have to worry about spills ruining your other belongings. Whether it's vitamins, makeup, or even small electronic gadgets and cables, everything has its place. One feature that sets this toiletry bag apart is its sturdy, retractable metal hook. This allows you to hang the bag easily from a towel rack, door hook, or any available space in a hotel bathroom or gym locker room. Hanging the bag not only saves precious counter space but also keeps your items within arm's reach and visible. When you're done, you can retract the hook neatly back into the bag, maintaining a sleek and compact profile for travel. Durability and user convenience have clearly been priorities in the design of this bag. It has supporting pads to keep its shape and protect your items from getting crushed. Elastic straps inside hold your toiletry bottles upright to prevent leaks and spills, while reinforced zippers ensure smooth opening and closing for the long haul. This combination of features really boosts the overall user experience, especially when you're on the go. Another big plus is the bag's waterproof and leak-proof construction. Made with durable materials and featuring PVC pockets, it's perfectly suited for bathroom use, even in humid or wet conditions. It's also lightweight and portable, with a convenient grab handle, making it ideal not just for travel but for gym visits, camping, or just everyday use at home. In terms of size, this medium-sized version is perfect for overnight or short trips, offering enough space for your daily essentials without becoming bulky. For those who need more room, larger sizes are also available, but the medium hits that sweet spot for most travelers. In summary, the HOTOR Travel Toiletry Bag is a versatile, durable, and cleverly designed organizer that addresses common travel challenges. From its expandable size and multiple compartments to its leak-proof pockets and sturdy hanging hook, it makes packing and accessing your essentials easier than ever. If you're looking for a reliable toiletry bag that combines function and convenience in a compact package, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. Safe travels and see you in the next video.